Hello my friends, the Miss Earth is coming in this final moment in November 5. So for now, let me share my top 16 stunning candidates. Without further ado, in no particular order, we have New Zealand, India Holder, 26-year-old. She's so pretty, so stunning. I love her blue eyes and her brown hair. And of course, she's a fluent English speaker and advocates for redesigning relationship with technology. And aside from that, I fall in love with her beauty. She's magical and I wish she can penetrate at the top 20. Next is Macau, Evangeline Chen, 23-year-old. She's a broadcasting student and she has that great slim body. She can speak English very well too. She has dark brown eyes and a black hair. I can feel her charisma and charm when she speaks. She's full of charisma and she has that great walk too. Well, I am hoping for Macau's placement this year. Next is Ukraine, Maria Zelyaskova. 24-year-old is an entrepreneur, international model. She got those brown eyes and those brown hair, the thick lips and that stunning beauty. She has a great body too. She can speak eloquently. Well, I can feel Ukraine can have its momentum this year. And I'm hoping for her she can reach at the top 4. She's one of the ladies to watch out. Next, my friend, is Chile, Natalie Briones, 19-year-old. Well, she is one of the stunning candidates for this edition. She got the slim physique too. I like her figure so much. She's slim and her beauty attracts to everyone. And she said that empathy can transform lives. I want her to be present with herself and give her all for the competition. Next is Belarus, Elizaveta Mojer, 21-year-old. Well, this Belarusian woman is a model. She got those blue eyes, my favorite, and those brown hair. Well, she's perfect. An angel. She got those beauty from head to toe. She's 10 out of 10 in her beauty. And in regards to her comm skills, well, I wish she can speak more in English for her placement for this year. Another stunning candidate is from Colombia, Valentina Colasos, 22-year-old. Well, she's a professional in pre-hospital care, actress and a professional model. She got those great catwalk and I'm in love in her overall beauty. And she got those dark brown eyes and those black hair. Well, I want her to level up too in her communication skills so that she can place higher for this Miss Earth. Next is Thailand, Wari Ngamkam, 26-year-old. Well, this stunning Thailander draws my attention. She got those dark brown eyes and black hair. She's a university student, a fashion model. And although in her advocacy, well, she speaks in her Thai language, but I want her to level up also in her communication skills because she got those beauty already. I love her so much in her aura. Next on our list, my friends, is Czech Republic, Natalie Poskinova, 21-year-old. Well, she got those sky blue eyes and those blonde hair. She can speak English very well. She's one of the candidates that I watch out for a competition. And of course, she is so courageous. Next is none other than Ecuador's Smirnova Peñafel. Well, another stunning candidate from Ecuador. Well, she's a business administration student, 20-year-old. And she has a great catwalk. And I wish she can speak more in English. But overall, she stuns me a lot. Next is none other than Philippines, Joy Barcoma, a stunning contender from the Philippines. And aside from that, she's a great communicator. She's one of a kind. She's awesome. And I am sure for her placement. Next stunning candidate is from the USA, of course. Hailey Poe, 22-year-old. She's a medical student. She got those hazel eyes and the strawberry blonde hair. She's awesome. She can speak very well. She's on my radar for the Miss Earth competition. Next is Germany, Melissa Andreas, 26-year-old. She works as a model and she got those pretty smile and of course she can speak eloquently too. an advocate for animal protection, and she got it all. She got me. She's so gorgeous. Next is India Komal Chudhari, 25-year-old. Well, she works as a model and dietitian. She got those brown eyes and dark hair, an advocate for sustainable food. She can speak clearly in English, and she's so beautiful. So what do you think of India's placement this year? Next one is Mexico Genesis Vera, 24-year-old. Well, she is a gym owner. Well, she got those great catwalk, great body. I love her, and she can speak English too. Well, I wish for her placement. And second to the last is Netherlands Sunny Esme Walstra, 21-year-old. Well, she got those blue eyes, the blonde hair. I feel she's a top-notch candidate for this competition, and I wish for her placement higher, and she's incredible. And the last is Singapore Ganga Khanna, 22-year-old. Well, she's a student of Bachelor of Counseling. She got those vibes. She can speak very well. I wish the judges will notice the Singaporean woman. She is gorgeous too. I wish for her placement. So that's it, my friends. Those are my top 16 stunning candidates that I look up for the competition at the Miss Earth. Who are your favorites? Thank you very much for watching, and take care all the time. Love our Mother Earth.